Guided meditation, cultivating self-compassion and inner safety. Welcome, and thank you for being here, beautiful soul. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or by your sides. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let your body begin to soften. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do right now. Just this moment. Just this breath. Begin by bringing your attention to your feet. Feel the contact with the ground beneath you. Now move your awareness slowly upward. Your ankles, calves, knees, your thighs. Allow the muscles to soften. Feel the weight of your body being held, supported by the earth. Move up to your hips, belly, chest, noticing where you may be holding tension. With each breath, let it soften. Bring awareness to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Allow gravity to do the work. Let everything relax. Now notice your neck, jaw, face, and forehead. Unclench your jaw. Relax your brow. Let your face be soft and neutral. Bring your awareness to your whole body. Breathing in, feel the body as a whole. Breathing out, allow it to rest. Now imagine a safe space, a place where you feel completely at ease. It may be real or imagined. A forest, a beach, a quiet room with warm light, or even a field under the stars. Take a moment to picture this space clearly. Notice the colors, the textures, the sounds, and notice how you feel. In this space, you are completely safe. You are protected. Nothing can harm you here. This is your inner sanctuary. With each breath, let yourself settle more deeply into this space. Allow it to wrap around you like a warm blanket. In this place, you are free to be exactly as you are, without judgment, without pressure. Just you, fully accepted. Now bring to mind something in your life that feels hard, a moment of struggle. It doesn't have to be the hardest thing, just something real. Let yourself feel it gently. You don't need to analyze it, just acknowledge it. Now place your hand over your heart or somewhere on your body that feels comforting, and say silently to yourself, "This is a moment of struggle. Struggle is part of being human. May I be kind to myself in this moment." If those words don't feel right, use your own version, something that feels warm, honest, and kind. Let your breath be soft. Let your heart be soft. Imagine a gentle light radiating from your chest. This is your compassion for yourself. There is nothing you need to fix. Just the act of showing up with kindness is enough. Begin to silently repeat these affirmations, slowly and mindfully. I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. It's okay to be exactly as I am. I give myself permission to rest. I am worthy of love even when I feel uncertain. I treat myself with gentleness and care. And now repeat them again, allowing them to sink even deeper. I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. It's okay to be exactly as I am. I give myself permission to rest. I am worthy of love even when I feel uncertain. I treat myself with gentleness and care. And now repeat them again, allowing them to sink even deeper. I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. It's okay to be exactly as I am. I give myself permission to rest. I am worthy of love even when I feel uncertain. I treat myself with gentleness and care. Feel these words as truths, not because they're always easy to believe, but because they are always available to you. Let these affirmations land in your body. Let them ripple out gently through your nervous system. Let them become a soft rhythm in your breath. Now allow everything to become quiet inside. No need to say anything. No need to do anything. Just rest. Let your breath come naturally. Let your thoughts drift by like clouds. You are safe. You are held. You are enough. Rest here in this stillness for a few more gentle breaths. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the contact with the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the sounds in the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Roll your shoulders. When you're ready, open your eyes softly. Bring with you this feeling of inner safety and compassion. Carry it into your day like a soft inner light. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.